Hey guys, welcome to this new video. I'm Timo. In this video we're going to talk about why I started YouTube in 2020 and 2019. So let's dive into the video. 3, 2, 1. So why I started YouTube is because of one simple reason, which is I want to learn more and explain more so I understand more, which traces back to the last video, a few videos back. I don't know when this is going to be uploaded. But like I said in that video, I will link it up somewhere over here. I believe it's over there. It could be over there. I will, at least on the card. Why I started this channel is because I like to learn, and I also like to explain and educate people. So that's basically what I'm doing over here. I try to work me through this, and I will try to start maybe a little bit of a vlog kind of thing. Maybe, if you want it, leave a like if you want, and comment down below #vlog 2020. I will try to vlog weekly and maybe on a 2-week basis. I'm not sure yet. I hope just a weekly vlog kind of thing. So if you would like that, leave a like, leave a comment with #vlogweekly 2020 or hashtag vlogweekly. So guys, if you want that, let me know. But why I started it is to, like I said, explain and better and to understand my own code, which is really helpful for me because I'm a junior programmer, junior developer for websites, and I would like to learn a bit more about computer science side. So I'm going to start a course that's called CS50 from TEDx, I believe it is. Link in the description down below. Free course, check it out. Best way to start in computer programming, and look at that course if you want. If not, just don't, but please do if you really want to start in programming properly. It's a 50-hour course, I believe. It's really a lot, but I want to work through it. I will take you guys along the way, and we will see what we... And if you want to know more, subscribe, because there's a lot of educating on this channel, and there's going to be a lot more videos. So yeah, leave a like if you want, dislike if you want, subscribe if you really love this video and want to see more. And guys, I'm Timo. Before I'm going to shoot me through the head, please subscribe. We'll see you later. Bye bye.